Hey students, Mrs. Loy here today. I just wanted to create a quick video to show you guys how to look at your feedback for the paragraphs that you wrote regarding the tragedy of Julius Caesar. So I have the student view of Canvas pulled up behind the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself smaller and show you guys how to check out the feedback that I provided you over spring break. So here is what the assignment page looked like for the Unit 3 Summative Writing Checkpoint A on your introduction. What you're going to want to do from the student point of view is to go ahead and click on Submission Details. When I click on Submission Details, it's going to bring you to your particular uploaded video, or not video, but your uploaded assignment. And instead of clicking on View Feedback, what you want to go ahead and click on is Show Rubric. And I'm going to move my face over here. And when you click on Show Rubric, you can scroll down, and at the bottom of this rubric, you should notice some comments down here at the bottom. Now, this is just an example submission, so I don't have any comments listed here, but this is where you can find the comments for your feedback and the things that you need to improve as we move forward and start to make some revisions for the final draft of your introduction to this paper. So I hope that was helpful. Have a great day.